Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. It would have been more Christmassy had I had a beard. It wasn't white, but I'd have just had a shave, so I look extremely clean shaven. But I've got a Christmas jumper, so I'm trying. It doesn't look that festive. Just kind of, I won't tell you where I got it from either, because it was cheap. But yeah, you're probably not feeling that festive, by the way, if you're a WordPress user and you're having to deal with the round of changes that's come about after its update to version 5. Now, in a previous video, I talked about how certain plugins have had to quickly adapt to cater for Gutenberg, the new visual editor that WordPress has got. But if, like me, you're used to using certain drag and drop builders, it's easier that way, because when you hand it over to clients, they can sort of mess around with it. You may not like Gutenberg. Now, when you change or edit a post, you can drag stuff around with Gutenberg, and it's all right. But even when you write a blog post, the look of it is now different. You've got this thin sort of area in the middle, and all the options are on the right-hand side, so you may just want to revert to how it was. And there are 2 plugins that I've come across that will do exactly that for you. Now, already there have been 1.5 million downloads and counting of these plugins, so it's obvious that Gutenberg isn't for everyone. I do advise slowly but surely you will need to get used to it, and you'll probably love it in the end. You know, when Facebook changes its layout, everyone moans, but then they end up loving it anyway. I imagine this is going to be exactly the same. But if for the meantime you don't want to use Gutenberg and just want to write blog posts in the way that you know and love, then download one of these 2 plugins, because these will certainly help you.
So I'll be using this website as an example for showing you how to do this and getting those plugins installed. This, by the way, is andrewslifeblog.co.uk. I'll pop the link in the description for you as well. This is one of my mates. I made this website for him, and I go to football with him. We recently did a vlog of the game. You need to check it out. It's absolutely hilarious at the end. But anyway, yeah, this is his website. So let's go to the dashboard. And this website is actually built using WP Bakery Page Builder. So I've updated that to the latest version, and I've got the latest version of WordPress on here. So in my other video, I explain how you can make sure that Gutenberg doesn't make your website go crazy with WP Bakery Page Builder. Link is on the card in the corner of the screen right now. As you can see, everything works fine, which is great. You've got the option of Gutenberg and the classic mode of WP Bakery there. But if we go to posts and then add new, regardless, it uses this. I just can't get used to it. This is the new WordPress look, and whilst I can switch to my page builder, when you usually do blog posts, you usually just do it in the classic editor anyway. So you do the title there, and then you can add the text and add blocks. So it's still using this page builder, and I just don't like it. It's got all the options down here on the right in an accordion. I'm really not used to it. Call me old-fashioned if you will, and yes, I do know that I need to move with the times. However, I just want the old interface restored for now. Thankfully, 2 plugins will do it for you. So if you go to plugins and then add new, you can actually type in disable Gutenberg. So disable Gutenberg, like so, and then you will get a number of plugins that have actually appeared that now will disable it for you. Now, this is one of them that's very recommended by Jeff Starr. Links in the description. Disable Gutenberg. You can install that, and that will do it for you. Alternatively, I tend to use the one called Classic Editor, and this one has had over 1 million downloads, which is absolutely ridiculous. This is just in the space of a week. So click install now. And then once it has installed, you can click activate. And what that will do is just restore your blog posts back to how it was. So let's just install that, all done. And then when I go to posts and then add new, you can find it's back to how it was. Of course, here we can still switch between the editors if we wish to, but this is how I like it. Much, much better. So there we go. That is back to normal. I can carry on my blogging now. Now, if you found this tip helpful, there are loads more tips on a daily basis that are getting released during the week on YouTube from me on the Website Right channel. So hit the subscription button and make sure you've got the notification bell on so you can be alerted to when I give you tips that could save your WordPress life.